Hey guys, it's Aaron here behind the mic. What will happen during the Great Collision? The collision of our galaxy with another, with the Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda is approaching our galaxy at about 110 kilometers per second. Now that is insanely fast. That is almost 4,000 times faster than a cheetah running full speed. Yes, 4,000 times faster than that. Does this mean that the Andromeda Galaxy is actually going to collide with our galaxy soon? Actually, no. Even though it is traveling at those insane speeds, it is predicted to collide with us in about 4 billion years. Remember, it is traveling at 110 kilometers per second, so that would only mean that Andromeda is incredibly far away, which it is. It is extremely far away. Now I know that we won't be around in 4 billion years, and our planet Earth will probably be gone by then, so we won't be able to experience the great collision of the galaxies. But this is what this video is for. I have compiled for you the most interesting facts and theories of what will happen during the collision of these two amazing galaxies, the Milky Way and the Andromeda. Here we go. Let's go 4 billion years into the future. There is no doubt, you see, that in the night sky, it will look absolutely beautiful. The darker the environment is, the better, because then you will see the breathtaking shapes and forms of the Andromeda Galaxy in the night sky. Remember, this is a galaxy we're talking about, not solar systems. Galaxies contain almost 1 trillion stars. If you're starting to feel weird right now or feel small, that's normal. Because it's the truth. Just accept it. There's nothing we can do about it. We humans are infinitesimally small compared to the galaxies. Let's go even farther. What will happen during the collision itself? Will stars smash into stars and Earth get hit by another star or another planet and everything gets destroyed? That may seem like the answer, but no, it's not. Almost nothing will happen to our planets and our sun. Let me explain why. As I said before, there are billions and billions and billions of stars in each galaxy. And the galaxies are heading towards each other, and so they will collide. Now if you think about it, chances are a star will collide into another star, right? Imagine having a bucket full of peas, let's say, and you and your friend has another bucket of peas, and he's just a meter away from you. Now, you both pour the peas onto the floor towards each other. What are the chances that the peas will collide with each other? Very high, right? As the number of peas increase, the collisions increase. So, when the galaxies collide, that means that everything will collide with each other, right? No, they won't. And here's why. We have to take into consideration the space between the celestial bodies. A galaxy is huge, and we can't even imagine how big it is. The space between stars in that galaxy is also huge. They are light years away from one another. Light years. The peas I talked about are only centimeters away from each other. See the difference? That's why, when the galaxies collide in the future, the fact that everything is going to collide and destroy everything is merely false. Therefore, as they collide, don't expect a huge explosion. Instead, imagine them going through each other. Two galaxies just going through each other, expanding like mist, outwards, and then contracting again and turning into a gigantic new galaxy. We can call it the Milkomeda Galaxy. I just made that name up. Seems like a cool name to me. After the collision, our sun may move a lot. And what I mean by that is that the sun will move a few thousand light years from our galactic center because of a sudden change in gravity. And change in gravity where, you may ask? Well, remember that each galaxy has a supermassive black hole in the center, with the stars and planets orbiting around it. And our star is actually orbiting the black hole in the center of the Milky Way galaxy right now. But that's just normal. So when the galaxies collide, the black holes will spiral towards each other. They will spiral around each other and spiral until they get really close to each other, and then boom, they collide into one ultra-massive black hole. And this is now the new center, the new heart of the galaxy. The collision of these two black holes will be so intense, so violent, that they will actually send huge gravitational waves out into space. Waves of gravity. Seems insane and just impossible, but it will happen. And when I say huge gravitational waves, don't assume that everything's going to get heavy and then light. It's actually really small, but for a gravitational wave, it'll be enormous. Now, deep space, what I mean by that is if you look at the sky, deep space will look different now. There will be much more stars in the sky than normal. More stars, more nebulas, more activity, more awesomeness. So overall, the Great Collision will not be a catastrophic event, but more of a really beautiful and insightful one. Too bad we won't be around during that time to witness what happens in the night sky, but that is why I've made this video, so you don't have to live 4 billion years to see this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked the visuals and also used your imagination to imagine everything I have said for you. Time is ticking. Remember to get your own limited edition Our Anatomy shirt with your favorite planet on it. It will be gone very soon. Get one by visiting the link in the description below. And to all of you that's watching, thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video, guys. Take it easy.